Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, I will replace a brand new rear camera for this iPhone XR. It can be seen that the rear camera of this phone has been closed. We will replace it with a new camera. Now unscrew the two tail screws and start the disassembly. Use the pick to open the screen gap. Unscrew the cable cover screws after uncovering the screen. Disconnect the battery cable, handset cable and the screen cable. Remove the screen. Then unscrew the camera cover screws and remove the cover. Disconnect the camera cable and take out the camera. Take out the new camera, ready to install. Use a blower to remove dust. Install the new camera and fasten the cable. Install the cover plate and tighten the cover plate screws. Then install the screen, buckle the cable. Install the upper cover and tighten the cover screws. Close the screen and press it well, and screw on the rear fixing screws. Now let's turn it on to see if the iPhone is functioning properly. It can be seen that the iPhone is functioning normally and the camera also can be used. So the repair of this iPhone XR is over.